Hi, I'm Brad Rosley. Thanks for tuning in today to Smart Money, where I like to teach individuals who watch our program here ideas they can use for themselves to help themselves get ahead in the world. Today, as the new year kicks in, I want to talk about some rich habits. I borrowed some of these rich habits from the Rich Habits Institute. They came out with a top 20 list, and I want to kind of hit on a few of those, and share with you a little more information. The first one I think is really exciting and a lot of people are taking advantage of, is 76% of rich people do aerobic exercise a minimum of 4 times a week. If anybody's ever done any kind of exercise program, they know that releases unbelievable positive endorphins in your body. It makes you feel great about yourself. So get up off the couch and make sure you get out and exercise. I think everybody knows that, but let's make it happen here in the new year. Second thing is totally different. It's really about investing in yourself and your priorities. 2/3 of the wealthy actually write down their goals. Have you ever written down your goals? Everybody thinks about New Year's resolutions this time of year, but who takes the time to write them down? And I think writing them down is really just step one, and that alone won't do it for you, because we're creatures of habit. We'll forget about them. So I think you need to write down your goals and then keep them in view. Maybe you put them on a note card and you post them in your bathroom by your mirror so you see them every day. Maybe you post them in your office, someplace, maybe on your computer. Every day you need to see them. I don't think that's enough either. I think you need to take it a step further and announce your goals. Tell your goals to other people in your life, whether it's a weight loss goal or a savings goal or a be kind to strangers goal. I don't know what it is, but tell other people that this is what you intend to do, and ask them to hold you accountable. My next part that goes with that is what's most important every day. You wake up every day, our phone is ringing, emails are coming at us, we're on Twitter, we're on Instagram. All those things are distractions. Can I suggest that you start each day, or possibly finish the day prior, and figure out what is the single most important thing I can do here, now, and today, and do that first. So that at the end of the day, you knew you had a successful day because you did the most important thing and did not get interrupted by everything else and never get to it. One other real common strategy by the wealthy is they really invest in themselves. School does not end when they're done with high school or done with college or done by getting their next job. They're always investing in themselves. They're not spending time watching television, or very little of it. As a matter of fact, according to statistics, 67% of the wealthy watch less than 1 hour a day. They don't have time for that in their priority list. 63% of those are listening to audiobooks on their commute, whether it's on the train or on a bus or in their car or on a plane. They're investing in themselves. They're listening to whether it's TED Talks or a book on their headphones, whatever it might be. They're investing in themselves. Lastly, this might surprise you in the day of social media, but 88% of the wealthy people are reading a minimum of 30 minutes a day. 88% are still reading every day. Now, they may not be reading newspapers that they're getting delivered in their driveway anymore. It's probably online. It could be a magazine, or it could be a Twitter article or whatnot, or a book, but they're reading every day, again, reinvesting themselves. I just got back from vacation. The book I just read, I reread. It's one of the most highly sold financial books of all time. It's called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Really interesting book, especially if you're a financial advisor. It actually rips on me and people in my profession quite a bit. And I agree with a lot of their points in how they create assets that generate income for themselves so that they don't have to continue working for an employer the rest of their lives. There's an opportunity for you to buy the book from Amazon, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I think it's a great book, and it would be a great kickoff to your new year in investing in your own self and trying to make this year the best year ever in your life. Thanks for listening. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, as there are many more videos that may be able to help you with your financial journey. Thanks a lot for listening. Have a great day.